Hi to everyone. Welcome to குழந்தைகள் உலகம். Today our topic is chapter 5 part 2 working with Linux. Open source operating system. Open source refers to a program or software in which the source code is available in the web to the general public free of cost. Open source code is typically created as a collaborative effort in which programmer continuously improve upon the source code in the web or share the changes within the community. Linux is one of the popular open source version of the Linux operating system. It is open source as its source code is freely available. Most popular Linux server distributor are Ubuntu Linux, Linux Mint, Arch Linux, Deepin, Fedora, Debian, CentOS. Ubuntu is the Linux-based operating system. It is designed for computers, smartphones, and network servers. The system is developed by a UK-based company called Canonical Limited. Ubuntu was conceived in 2004 by Mark Shuttleworth, a successful South African entrepreneur, and his company Canonical Limited. Significant features of Ubuntu. The desktop version of Ubuntu supports all normal softwares like Windows, such as Firefox, Chrome, VLC, etc. It supports the office suites called LibreOffice. Ubuntu has inbuilt email software called Thunderbird, which gives the user access to mail such as Exchange, Gmail, Hotmail, etc. There are free applications for user to view and edit photos, to manage and share videos. It is easy to find content on Ubuntu with the smart searching facility. The best feature is it is free operating system and is backed by the huge open source community. Ubuntu desktop. There are many similarities between Ubuntu and other operating systems such as Microsoft Windows, Apple. This is because they are all based on concept of GUI, graphical user interface. The following are the names of icons in the Ubuntu OS: Search Your Computer, File, Firefox web browser, LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Impress, Ubuntu Software, Amazon, System Settings, Trash. These icons in the Ubuntu operating system and their equivalent one in the Windows operating system. Menu bar. The menu bar is located at the top of the screen. The menu bar incorporates common functions used in Ubuntu. The frequently used icons in the menu bar are found on the right. Most common indicator in the menu bar are located in the indicator or notification area. Network indicator. This messages network connection, allowing you to connect to a wire or wireless net. Next, entry setting. This is shows the current keyboard layout. If more than one keyboard layout in the shown, it allows you to select a keyboard layout of these choice. The keyboard indicator menu contains the following menu items: character map, keyboard layout chart, and text entry settings. Messaging indicator. This is incorporate your social applications. From here you can access instant messenger and email clients. Sound indicator. This provides an easy way to adjust the volume as well as access your music player. Clock. This displays the current time and provides a link to your calendar and time and date settings. Indicator. This is a link to the system setting, Ubuntu help and the session options. Title bar. The title bar shows the name of the current selected directory. It is also contain the close, minimize and maximize buttons. Toolbar. The toolbar displays your directory's browsing history, your location in the file system, your search buttons and options for your current directory view. Desktop background. Below the menu bar at the top of the screen is an image covering the entire desktop. This is the default desktop background or wallpaper belonging to the default Ubuntu 16.04 theme known as the ambience. The launcher, it is equal to taskbar. Vertical bar of icons on the left side of the desktop is called the launcher. The launcher provides easy access to application, mounted devices and the trash. All the current applications on your system will place an icon in a launcher. Elements of Ubuntu. Search your computer icon. This icon is equal to search button in the Windows OS. Here you have to give the name of the file or folder for searching them. Files. This icon is equivalent to my computer icon. From here you can directly go to the desktop, documents and so on. Firefox web browser. By clicking this icon, you can directly browse the internet. This is equivalent to clicking the web browser in the taskbar in Windows. LibreOffice Writer. This icon will directly take you to document preparation application like MS Word in Windows. LibreOffice Calc. This icon will open LibreOffice Calc application. It is similar to MS Excel in Windows. LibreOffice Impress. By clicking this icon, you can open LibreOffice Impress to prepare any presentation in Ubuntu like MS PowerPoint. Ubuntu software icons. These icons will lead you add any additional application you want. This can be done by clicking the update option at the top right corner of that screen. Online shopping icon. Using this icon, user can buy and sell any product online. This icon is similar to the control panel in the Windows operating system, but here you need to authenticate the changes by giving your password. You cannot simply change as you do in Windows. Trash. This icon is equal to recycle bin of Windows OS. All the deleted files and folders are moved here. Deleting files or folders. Similar to Windows OS, you can delete the files and folder with the same procedure by clicking file icons. New file or new folder can also be created by using file menu. Deleting file or folder. A file or folder created by you can be removed to trash by using right click or by using menu. First image is deleting a file or folder by right clicking. Then second one, delete a file or folder by using edit menu. Shut down Ubuntu using session option. When you have finished work on your computer, you can choose to log out, suspend or shut down through the session indicator on the far right side of the top panel. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.